So in order to film our little bird seed videos and all the critters that come up, well, we have to film for quite a few hours, and that means having to go back, change the battery on things, and refill all the seeds and see if anything's touched it. So we're about to go take a look, see if anything's got to it just yet, and give it a little touch up if needed. So it seems that we've got a couple things that have come over. It's been touched, but very lightly. So we're gonna leave it as is, change the battery, and hopefully see what else comes to see us today.